Hi, my name is Arni and we are going to solve practice problem 5.8 from Sadiku book, and this is the circuit, and then we are asked to find I0. We are asked to find I0, and I0 is the current here. Okay, as usual we have op-amps, so if we have op-amps we can use these properties. So the voltage between terminals is the same, so VA is equal to VB, and the current that goes into the op-amp is actually 0. And when we are analyzing op-amp, we can use KCL at node A and node B. Okay, so first let's look at these two op-amps here. We have this connected here, but the other side is connected here. So this is supplied with 6.98 volt. So that will make this node here the same as this voltage. So because of these properties, we will have the voltage in this node is 6.98. And then the same can be said here, because this is supplied with 7 volt. The voltage here will also be 7 volts, so the voltage in this node is also 7 volt. Okay, now let's do nodal analysis at this unknown node. So I will have this as node A and this as node B. And remember that the current that goes into the op-amp will equal to 0, and I will assume the current going to the right here, and here also going to the right, here going to the ground, here going to the ground, and here going to the right. Okay, now we need to do KCL at 3 nodes, which is node A, node B, and this node. So I will name this node C, I think. Okay, we need to do KCL at 3 nodes, so we will have 3 equations and hopefully 3 variables. And let's do KCL at node A. And KCL said that the sum of the current that goes in is equal to the current that goes out. Okay, at node A, this current is going in, so I'll have the voltage in this node, which is 6.98, minus this voltage, so VA, divided by 20, and that will equal to this current that going into the op-amp, which is 0 because of these properties here, so we'll have 0, then plus this current, which is VA minus VC divided by 40. Okay, now let's simplify this by multiplying both sides by 40. So the right hand side will become VA minus VC, and the left hand side becomes, this is minus 2VA, and 6.98 multiplied by 2 is 13 point something should be. Okay, 13.96. And we can simplify this into this equation. 3VA minus VC is equal to 13 over 96. Okay, let's have this as equation number 1. Let's do another KCL, but at node B. KCL at node B. Okay, first I will have this current going in, so that is 7 minus VB divided by 20, and that will equal to the current that goes out, and this current is going out from node B into the op-amp, and going into the op-amp means that the current is 0, so I'll have 0. and then this current is going out, so that is VB minus 0, because this is the ground, divided by 40. And okay, this is the case. So we can solve this by multiplying both sides by 40. So I will have 14 minus 2 VB will equal to VB. So I will have 3 VB will equal to 14, and then VB will be 14 divided by 3, that is 4.667 volt. Okay, we have VB there, so VB is there, and by using the fact that VB will equal to VA, we will have VA is equal to 4.667 volt. And then by using VA here, we will have VC. So we can substitute VA into equation 1. So we'll have, okay, substitute VA to equation 1. Okay, let's do that. So we'll have 3 multiplied by 4.667 minus VC is equal to 13 over 13.96. Okay, this is equal to 14, so I will have 14 minus VC is equal to 13.96. So I will have VC is equal to 0.04 volt. So this is VC, 0.04 volt, and by using Ohm's law we can get, or you can use KCL at node C, but we can do this easily by using Ohm's law. So I will have I0 is equal to VC divided by 50 kilo ohm, and VC is 0.04 divided by 50, and that will be 8 multiplied by 10 to the minus 4, and the unit, because this is volt and this is kilo ohm, so I will have milliampere, or we can convert this into microampere by multiplying it by 1000, so I will have 0.8 microampere. So this is I0. 0 is this, and that is the final answer of the question, which is asked us to obtain I0 in the circuit. So this is the final answer, and hopefully I did not make any mistakes in the calculation. Let me know if I did in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.